In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless automation flow using Microsoft Power Automate with your Notion workspace. This can be a game changer for enhancing productivity by automating processes you frequently undertake. First, we'll start by opening Microsoft Power Automate. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new flow. Think of a flow as a series of automated steps you want to run automatically. In our case, it's about integrating with Notion to automate tasks like updating data whenever there's a new page created. The integration with Notion can be achieved in a couple of ways. You can either use the Notion connector, if available, or go the slightly more technical route with HTTP requests using the Notion API. If you opt for the HTTP requests, be sure you've got your API keys at the ready. These keys are like digital passes that allow Power Automate to communicate securely with your Notion workspace. Once you've settled on the method, you'll need to authenticate your Notion account using those API keys. This step is crucial because it sets up the secure connection needed for the two platforms to communicate. Follow the on-screen prompts in Power Automate to enter your keys. Always make sure you're handling these keys with care. They're sensitive pieces of information that can impact your data security. Now that the connection is set, it's time to get into the fun part: configuring your triggers and actions. Consider what you'd like to automate. A common scenario might be setting a trigger for when a new page is created in Notion. The corresponding action might be to update certain data fields, assign tasks, or even trigger a notification within your ecosystem. Power Automate provides a range of possibilities here, so feel free to tailor it to your specific needs. The key here is to understand the flow you're trying to achieve and ensure that each step logically follows the last. With your flow drafted out, it's time for a test run. Testing is vital to make sure everything works smoothly and according to plan. Run the flow and monitor it closely for any errors that might pop up. This is where Power Automate is really helpful, as it provides logs and error messages to guide you. Finally, your automation processes can always evolve. After your initial test, review the flow and consider any adjustments or optimizations. Things to look for might include unnecessary steps that can be streamlined or additional triggers that could make the flow even more useful. Congratulations! You've taken the crucial steps to automate tasks with Microsoft Power Automate and Notion. As you continue refining your processes, you'll find that automation can free up valuable time for more strategic initiatives. Happy automating!